Welcome to our Business Risk Smart Assessment. To start with the Business Risk Assessment, click on the Next button at the right bottom of your page. Next, fill in the name of the client which will appear on the PDF result report, as well as the client's email address, and then click Next. Answer all the questions on the Smart Assessment by clicking on the relevant answer. If interrupted, you can save your progress by clicking on the Save and Resume Later button. A link will be sent to the client's email address to continue at a convenient time. Answer all the questions on the Smart Assessment by clicking on the relevant answer. After completing the Smart Assessment, accept the terms and conditions and then click Next. Now you will see a visual representation of the client's business risk assessment result, with the highest risk appearing in red, moderate risks in amber, and low risks in green, enabling the financial advisor and the client to easily identify critical risks. Fill in the email address of the Liberty Financial Advisor so that both the client and the advisor receives the PDF result report. If any assistance is required, complete the request here and click Finish. Thank you for using our Smart Assessment.